Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today, let's talk about how Tamil medium students can prepare for the IELTS exam and achieve great results. If you are planning to study abroad or immigrate, this video is for you. Let's get started. And as a Tamil medium student, I hope my experiences can help you too. I just wanted to share an important tip before we start this video. After completely watching this video, do this. Turn on your camera, record yourself talking into it. You can take any example. You can even talk about this topic. Imagine that you are explaining about the IELTS process to someone else and then talk about it for like 5 or 10 minutes and then see how well you perform. This will help you evaluate your talking abilities. How will you comprehend your sentences? What are the key points that you remember from the video you watched? To talk to the exam evaluator whom you have never met before, you have to start practicing, right? So you can do that right now after watching this video. Alright, let's dive right into the topic now. First thing, let's understand the IELTS format. There are 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each section is equally important. Listening has 4 parts with 40 questions. Reading also has 40 questions. Writing has 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. The speaking test is like an interview with 3 parts. Knowing the format well will help you feel confident, which will avoid last-minute surprises. So that's the key for success. You have to start practicing for that format so there won't be any last-minute surprises. Next thing, start with basic English improvement. Don't worry if your English is basic. Start simple. Focus on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Read English newspapers or websites like The Hindu, BBC News, or Times of India. This will improve your reading and vocabulary. Listen to English news podcasts or even watch English movies with subtitles. This helps with listening and pronunciation. Third point, enroll in IELTS classes or use online resources. If possible, join an IELTS preparation course. There are many online classes in Tamil, and even YouTube has free tutorials. Some coaching centers explain IELTS in Tamil. This will make it easier to understand the concepts. And for practicing, you always have our online live discussion, which is hosted over the weekend. So feel free to join our live sessions to practice your speaking. Number 4, practice daily. Make it a habit. Consistency is the key. Practice English every day. Listening, for example, listen to English for at least 30 minutes daily. BBC News, TED Talks, TED, TED Talks, or podcasts are great options. Reading, read articles, newspapers, and simple books. Gradually move to complex texts. Speaking, talk to friends in English or practice in front of a mirror. I've done a dedicated episode for this one, how to practice English with yourself when you don't have a learning partner. So mirror practicing or shadowing is a great concept. Record your voice and listen to improve pronunciation. Writing. Practice writing essays or letters. Start with small paragraphs and expand slowly. Number 5. Take mock tests. Mock tests are important to track your progress. You can find free IELTS practice tests online and you can follow their mock tests as well. Treat each mock test like the real exam and analyze your mistakes to improve. Don't overlook your errors or grammatical mistakes. Number 6. Focus on weak areas. It's easy for us to overlook our mistakes and be self-deceptive at some times. Find out which section is difficult for you. Listening, reading, writing, or speaking. Spend extra time on that specific section. There are many Tamil English resources to help you. Number 7. Prepare for the speaking test. For the speaking test, practice answering common questions like introducing yourself, talking about your hometown, or describing a hobby. Record your answers, listen to them, and improve where necessary. This is key to success. Please record all your answers while you are talking and evaluate your pronunciation and see if you are able to understand your own answers. Number 8. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Don't feel bad. Learn from them and keep improving. Join online forums or groups where Tamil students prepare for IELTS, and our group is common for everyone, right from the basic learners or to fluent speakers. So start interacting with a common pool and you can learn new things, or you can expand your learning horizon. And I hope this video gives you confidence to start your IELTS preparation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need any specific tips. All the best for your IELTS learning journey. See you in the next video and take care and happy learning.